Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the pruning succulents, specifically the string of tears variety. Pruning is essential for maintaining the health and appearance of your succulents, and I'm excited to share my tips with you. As you can see, my string of tears has grown a quite bit. It's getting a bit leggy and needs a trim to encourage new growth and keep it looking full. First thing, I am watering my string of tears as the soil is dry. Watering before pruning helps to reduce stress on the plant and makes it easier to prune. Succulents prefer dry soil, so I'll just water it lightly. Now I am gonna identify areas to prune. For pruning, I'll use scissors. I am looking for leggy or overgrown stems, dead or damaged leaves. Cut stems just above the node. This encourages new growth and maintains plant shape. Now, I am rotating my planter and pruning succulents from all angles. I am aiming for a length that's just right. Not too long, so the string of tears doesn't touch the floor. And there we have it. Pruning is all done, and I am clearing away the dropped cuttings. Take a look. My string of tears is looking so refreshed. With a neat, compact shape that's sure to spill beautifully over the edges. And that's a wrap. My string of tears is looking fabulous, and I'm really loving the new look. Thanks for joining me on this pruning adventure. Happy gardening!